Hello guys, welcome to our minister. On today's tech review, I will be unboxing and reviewing the Baseus Zero Space Refrigerator. Baseus Zero Space Refrigerator is a desktop mini refrigerator that you can as well use in the comfort of your house, or you can use in a car. So come with me while I show you the refrigerator. Baseus Zero Space Refrigerator has a dual cooling and 8 function, pre-cooling with the silent mode function. It's round structure designs. So the Baseus Zero Space Refrigerator has a translucent window, which is the front side for you to be able to view what's inside the refrigerator. It's 8 liter, so it doesn't take in more than anything above 8 liters. So this 8 liter refrigerator has a partitioning compartment whereby you can partition and put different items or products you want to refrigerate inside. The Baseus Zero Space Refrigerator is a 2-in-1 refrigerator. So you can use it in winter and you can use it in summer. So meaning if you want to refrigerate and you want your food items to be cold, you can as well use it. And if you want to warm your food item when it's in a very cold temperature, you want it to be in a room temperature, or you want it to be in the hot temperature, this refrigerator we are looking can as well serve the purpose. This refrigerator is very cheeky, compactly, very handy. So it Baseus Zero Space Refrigerator comes with a wooden base to hold the refrigerator in any position you want to put it with. It comes with a touch of leather for the handle. So it comes with a touch of brown leather for you to be able to hand the Baseus refrigerator and move it around anywhere you want to take it. To. It's an 8 liter size, so you can put in basic that you can consume within a period of 24 hours within a day. So the Baseus mini desktop refrigerator, and as well can still go for Baseus Zero Space Refrigerator. It can be in your car, and you can as well put it in the control of your house. It comes with 2 power cords, so you can make use of the AC adapter goes into your 220 volt, while this other side goes into your power source. So while you are doing that, you have to make sure everything is that you switch everything on before you connect it to the power source, then you put it on. So, and if you are not at home, if you are in the comfort of your car, maybe you are going for picnic in your caravan or your minivan, so you can as well make use of your car adapter. So you connect this to your 12 volts and you plug this to your smoke car adapter, then you can power this on and make use of it as well. Baseus Zero Space Refrigerator comes in variants of 2 colors. We have the white color and we have the pink color that you are looking at as it is. So refrigerator 2-in-1. You can use it to cool your food, cool your skincare routine products, or you can as well use it to warm your meal as well. The Baseus Zero Space Refrigerator, it's very handy. It's about 3.5 kilogram. So 3.5 kilograms, you can easily handle it, take it anywhere you are. It's mobile, you can take it and move around with it any time of the day, anytime you want it. So you can get your Baseus Zero Space Refrigerator from any of the Harmony store in Nigeria. So guys, thank you for watching. See you again in the next video. Peace.